How to disable notifications on Google Chrome. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Google Chrome, then click on the three dots at the top right, then click on settings. And here you want to scroll down to the basics section, and from there click on notifications. Now, most of you won't land on this page. This page is the notification section for the Google Chrome app in my phone. Most of you will land in the in-app notification settings, which is this page right here, from which you just need to turn off the notification toggle at the top right of the screen. And there you have it, the notifications has been turned off. However, I don't really like this one as it doesn't have as much details. I prefer the previous page, and to access that all you need to do is open up your settings and then scroll down to apps, and then you can either search for Google Chrome or navigate to it manually. And from the privacy section, click on notifications, and here you will find the same page. So in this page, you can turn off the notifications completely by turning off the toggle. As you can see, notifications from Google Chrome are blocked, or you can turn them off in details. As you can see, we have the general section from which you can turn on the app notifications specifically for the options, or you can turn them one by one. Say, for example, you want to turn off the completed downloads notification, for the incognito window, and for the apps, the web apps. The second section is the websites notification section, from which you can turn off completely. This way you won't get any notifications from any websites, or you can turn them off for some websites and leave it on for others, just like I'm doing right here. And this can be very handy if you are like following some news websites or some stuff like that. So let's turn off the notifications completely. And that was it for this video. That's how you can disable and turn off or remove notifications in Google Chrome. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.